Hello viewers, you're watching APN Northeast News. This is Atiza Kaina. Let's take a look at our news update from Manipur. To encourage the youths in the fields of games and sports, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh informed that the State Cabinet, in its recent meeting, has created 18 posts reserved for Olympians of the state in Youth Affairs and Sports Department. The Chief Minister said this at the reception ceremony of the hockey player and Tokyo Olympic bronze medalist Nilankanta Sharma at Khonta Ahalup in Imphal East on Wednesday. The posts created included 10 posts of Assistant Director for participants, 5 Deputy Directors for medal winners, and 3 posts of Joint Director for gold medal winners at Olympic Games. Expressing proud feeling on the heroic performances and achievements of the state's athletes in the recent Tokyo Olympic, he stated that the young and talented Olympians would be a source of inspiration and motivation among the youths of the state. The Chief Minister also maintained that the state government is committed towards developing games and sports for its role in instilling good discipline and manner among the youths. In a big boost to agriculture sector in Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh flagged off 1 metric tons consignment of organic black rice to Europe through Northeastern Regional Agriculture Marketing Corporation Limited in association with the State Department of Agriculture. Black rice, locally known as chakhao in Manipur, which has a GI tag, is scented glutinous rice which has been in cultivation in Manipur over centuries, is characterized by its special aroma. In a tweet post, Chief Minister expressed gratitude to the center for extending support to the farmers in exporting the products. Meanwhile, CM Biren also released a special cover on Kachai lemon for the Postal Department Government of India at CM Secretariat. The special cover is released as a run-up to the Independence Day to promote the indigenous produce of Manipur for wider publicity across the country and the globe. Ganga Prasad was sworn in today as the new governor of Manipur at Raj Bhavan in the presence of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. The oath-taking ceremony was administered by Manipur High Court Chief Justice P.V. Sanjay Kumar. The governor's secretariat on Wednesday said that Ganga Prasad will assume office following the expiry term of Najma Heptullah. Ganga Prasad was earlier the governor of Meghalaya and Sikkim. And ahead of Independence Day celebration on August 15, the Manipur government has intensified cordon and search operation in the state since the past few days. As a part of the larger measures, house-to-house cordon and search operations were conducted in the valley districts of Imphal West, Imphal East and Thawbal districts by respective district police personnel. So far, there was no report of any arrests made during the operation. Security has also been beefed up in all the sensitive areas across Manipur to prevent any untoward incident in the run-up to Independence Day celebration. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching.